Hi beautiful family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video is a powerful treatment that you can use as a scalp treatment, a detangler and a deep condition. Is only one ingredient. It also condition the hair, treat the scalp and boost your hair growth. If your hair is damaged, this is the right treatment for you to use to repair your damaged hair. And also this treatment also help you to retain length. So please watch this video to the end. Let's dive into today's video. Welcome back. The only one ingredient I'll be using today is my okra. This is my fresh okra. I've already washed it. So after washing it, I start dicing it into a small size so that I can prepare it. After I dice the whole okra, next I'll transfer it into my clean pot. So next I'll transfer in my water. So this is how it is when I transfer into my water. Next I'll put it on my fire to boil for only about 5 minutes. Please do not boil this more than 5 minutes so you not kill the nutrients. Okay, so once it's 5 minutes, I'll bring it down and I like to cool down a little bit. So I collect my shifter and my bowl to collect my gel. This okra gel is all in one. It's great on your hair and on your scalp. It's also good in detangle your hair, condition your hair, and also keep your hair long-term moisturized. If your scalp is dry, please try this okra gel, and your hair is dry, please try this okra gel. It will help you to revive your hair, bring your hair back to life. And also if you have damaged hair, consistent of using this okra gel, it also helps to repair that damaged hair. You will never go wrong on using this okra gel. It's not only aloe vera gel can do it for you. This okra gel will also do more than aloe vera gel. It's also a great vegetable to eat. So let me know in comment section, do you eat this okra? Do you love okra soup like I love okra soup a lot. So this is the stage of my hair. I just take down my 9 weeks old knotless boss braid. So it's like a continuation of that video. Okay, so if I'm not seen that video, please I'll leave it in up here or in my description box below. Go and check that video. Okay, so this is how my hair is at this point. Guys, let me know what you thought. I think my hair increased in volume. Guys, let me know your opinion. Okay, so this okra gel is very powerful. Okay, you know that I like working in session. I will first of all session my hair. So let's talk about the benefit of this okra on your hair. Okra gel is rich in vitamin A, C and K. It contains potassium and has a lot of other nutrients that are amazing on your hair growth. Is amazing at moisturizing a dry scalp and add moisture to your hair. It's not only aloe vera can do great work for you guys. If you're letting down on this okra gel, please start using it today. Okay, it have a lot of nutrients, a lot benefits that will be getting in using this okra, whether detangler, condition or living in condition. Okay, there's a lot way, there's many way to use this okra, and this okra gel have numerous benefits on your hair. Okay, so please, and also I have a video when I use this okra on my hair for overnight, and that video is great. Honestly, if you have not checked it out, it's another version of that okra gel. Okay, so go and check that video out. I'll also be leaving it on end screen here, on up here or in my description box below. Okay, so I will detangle the hair. Do see how my hair is easy to detangle. So guys, see how my hair is. My hair looks so beautiful. Guys, do you see this okra gel also help to define your coils? Do you see how my coil is pumping? Guys, honestly, if today is your first time stopping by in the channel, thank you so much for stopping by to watch my video. I really appreciate you. Please do not make it your last. Please join this beautiful family. In this channel, we'll talk about how to grow our hair with home remedies, with DIYs, without breaking the bank. Okay, please subscribe. Okay, join this beautiful family by subscribing, and once you subscribe, please turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much. Welcome to the family. Thank you for subscribing. My returning subscribers and my returning viewers, you guys are so amazing. Thank you for always come back to watch my videos. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Please, my returning viewers, please help me to subscribe, okay? Please subscribe to the channel, okay? Help your girl to grow the channel, okay? Help me to let's hit 1K subscriber this month. I know you guys can do that for me. Thank you so much for supporting me. Please, if you are not yet like this video, please like this video, okay? It really help YouTube to push the video to more viewers, okay? Thank you so much. And also please share this video to your family and friends. It may be helping 1 or 2 person out there. Thank you so much. So whenever you want to take down your protective hairstyle or you want to detangle your hair, make sure that you use a great detangler, okay? Because it will really help you to reduce your sheddings, okay, and your breakage. It will really help you to retain length, okay? Because detangle your hair is a time that you know is another stage for you to know if you retain length or not. So if you not use a good detangler that have a good slip, it will you break off your hair. So once you use a good detangler that have a good slip like this Okra gel, honestly you will retain a lot of length, okay? So try to prepare a good detangler so that you will retain length, because length retention depend on when you are taking down your protective hairstyle and also when you are detangling your hair. So honestly speaking, so try to use like this Okra gel is a very simple detangler, and it's very easy to get, and also it's very simple to prepare, but it's very effective, okay? So like aloe vera, if you don't have aloe vera plant in your home or you don't have money to buy aloe vera plants, this Okra gel is very cheap to prepare, very cheap to buy, okay? It's not expensive like aloe vera gel, and it's also do a great work than even aloe vera gel. I mean it when I said it, okay? So please guys, try your possible best to retain length, okay? Our hair definitely grow, but the problem that we are having is length retentions. Try to use a good detangler to detangle your hair for you to get that length retention. Another thing, whenever you detangle your hair or whenever you're combing your hair, make sure that you first do finger detangle, okay? So that you also help you not to break your hair too much. You also help you not to have a lot of breakage, okay? Because when you first do finger detangle, it will help you to find knots. If there's knots on your hair, it will help you a lot to locate that knot, okay? So try to do finger detangle before you use comb on your hair or before you use your hair brush. At this point, if you are not yet subscribed, please help me to subscribe, okay? Help your girl. Let's hit 1K subscriber this month, okay? Let's grow the channel together and also grow our hair together. And also, if you have not yet liked, please help me to like, okay? It really help YouTube to push this video to more viewers, and also to help the channel to grow, okay? Thank you so much. And also please share this video to your family and friends. You'll be helping 1 or 2 person out there. Thank you so much for doing that. So this is the last session of my hair, okay? Do you see how my hair is? My hair looks so good. Honestly, my hair feels so good. My hair is super moisturized at this point, super hydrated. As you can see already, I'm not exaggerating. You can see the results out there. You can see the results. My hair feels so good, honestly. So if you're letting down on this Okra gel, guys, stop letting down on this Okra gel. It will do a lot of marvelous thing on your hair, a lot of benefits in this Okra gel. A lot that you'll be getting on using this Okra gel. I cannot sell it all, honestly. Just need to try it and you'll be certified what I'm talking about. You know that I'm not exaggerating, okay? So guys, so this is how my hair is now. This is what I'm doing now. I'm doing finger detangle first. So after I do my finger detangle, I'll follow up with my white tooth comb. Another thing, make sure that, I know that everybody know this, but if you don't know it, make sure that you are using white tooth comb to comb your hair. Do not use right tooth comb to comb your your hair. It also helps to breaking off your hair. So white tooth comb is the best used to comb your hair. It will help you not to break your hair excessively, and also it will help your hair to become more easy than using right tooth comb. Okay, so after using my white tooth comb, I follow up with my detangle brush. So using the detangle brush is not necessary that you must use the detangle brush. If you're OG on the channel, you know that I don't almost use the detangle brush on my hair. I almost use only my white tooth comb. Okay, so use any of them that you have. So this is the stage of my hair. Do you see how my hair look like? My hair feels so good at this point. Honestly speaking, I'm through the tangle the whole of my hair. So guys, remember how my hair was before, and this is how my hair is now. So I'm taking down my twins, okay, for you to see how my hair is, for you to see how juicy my hair is, how curly my hair is, how hydrated and how moisturized my hair is. My hair is so good. My hair feels so good. My hair is back to life. This is how my hair was before we started the detangle process, and this is how my hair is now after the detangle process with this Okra gel. Guys, tell me why you not try this Okra gel. Tell me the reason why you not try this Okra gel. This Okra gel is a lifesaver. There is a lot of benefit to be gotten on using this Okra gel that I cannot sell it all. So just try and use it, and you'll be certified about the results. Guys, thank you so much for watching up to this point. If you have not yet liked this video, or you have not yet subscribed, or you have not yet share, please help me to like this video. Okay, it helps YouTube to push video to more people. Help me to subscribe. Let's hit 1K subscriber this month, guys. This is the remaining Okra gel that I remain. Guys, do you see my hair really consumed that? So thank you guys for watching up to this point. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.